Hi there, fellow homeowners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean out your gutters. As the seasons roll by, our homes demand a bit of tender, loving care, and one task that often slips under the radar is the good old gutter cleanup. Neglecting this chore can spell trouble, from pesky leaks to unwanted critters setting up shop. Fear not, though. In this extensive guide, we're breaking down the how-to of cleaning out your gutters. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and give your home the protection it deserves. Why bother with gutter cleaning? Before we dive into the how-tos, let's talk about why keeping your gutters clean is such a big deal. Imagine your gutters as the unsung heroes of your home, working tirelessly to channel rainwater away from your foundation. Now, when these gutters get clogged up with leaves, twigs, and who knows what, the water can't flow properly, leading to a host of issues like water damage and structural nightmares. So let's dive right into it. Tools of the trade. All right, before we get down and dirty, let's gather our arsenal. You'll need an unturned ladder. Make sure it's not wobbly and planted on a flat surface. 2. Gloves. Shield those hands from the muck and potential surprises. 3. Bucket or bag. Your trusty sidekick for collecting all that gutter goo. 4. Trowel or scoop. Perfect for the scooping action. 5. Garden hose, to rinse away the remnants and check for proper water flow. 6. Safety glasses. Shield those eyes, safety first. The step-by-step gutter guide. Now that you're armed and ready, let's break down the steps of cleaning your gutters. Step 1. Safety first. Before you even think about climbing that ladder, do a safety check. Ensure your ladder is planted on solid ground, and of course, don't forget those safety glasses. If heights aren't your thing or your home resembles a tower, maybe consider calling in the pros. Step 2. Clear debris from the roof. Start off by giving your roof a once-over. Use a leaf blower or a trusty broom to sweep away loose debris. Let's keep that stuff out of the gutters in the first place. Step 3. Gutter scooping. Position your ladder close to a downspout and get that scoop or trowel ready. It's time to dive into the abyss and scoop out the gunk. Work your way along the gutter, being gentle so you don't damage it. Dump the nasties into your bucket or bag. Step 4. Rinse and repeat. Once the bulk is out, grab your garden hose. It's time for a good rinse. Flush out the remaining dirt and small bits. This not only gives your gutters the treatment they deserve, but also helps you spot any blockages in the downspouts. Step 5. Check for leaks and damage. While you're up there, check for leaks. Inspect your gutters for any signs of leaks or damage. Keep an eye out for rust spots or any sections that might need a bit of TLC. Step 6. Downspout clearance. Don't forget about the downspouts. Use a plumbing snake or a strong stream of water from the hose to clear out any clogs. It's like giving your gutters a clear path to do their job properly. Additional tips and tricks for gutter cleaning. Alright, high fives all around. You've conquered the hard work of gutter cleaning. But let's talk about keeping that victory going. 1. Regular TLC. Schedule gutter cleanings at least twice a year. Spring and fall are the most important seasons. It keeps the debris at bay and your gutters happy. 2. Gutter guards, the unsung heroes. Invest in some gutter guards. These nifty devices help keep debris out, meaning less cleaning for you. Win-win. 3. Branch trim time. Trim those overhanging branches. It's like giving your gutters a shield against the constant rain of leaves. 4. DIY or Pro Squad. While we love a good DIY project, don't hesitate to call in the professionals if the whole gutter situation feels a bit out of your league. 5. Weather Watch. Pick a dry day for your gutter mission. It's safer and more effective. No one wants to slip and slide on a wet ladder. Final thoughts. Give yourself a pat on the back, champ. You've just unlocked the achievement of responsible homeownership by mastering gutter maintenance. By following these steps and embracing the extra tips, you're not just cleaning out your gutters, you're being a superhero for your home. Now go enjoy that well-deserved cup of coffee and bask in the glory of a job well done. Happy cleaning! If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.